Hello everyone, myself Satish Goda, Assistant Professor of Zoology, Government First Grade College of Arts, Science and Commerce, SERA. My dear students, today I would like to discuss a very interesting and important topic, that is production of chimeric mice by embryonic stem cell transplantation in the unit transgenic animals and advantages for 3rd BSc 6th semester zoology, paper 7 applied zoology of Tumkur University. Dear students, in the last two sessions we have studied the production of dolly by nuclear transplantation method and the production of mice, transgenic mice by micro-injection method. In continuation with that, today in this session I am very happy to share and very happy to discuss about a concept of the production of chimeric mice by embryonic stem cell transplantation. Students, in this method, the embryonic stem cells taken from one embryo and are transplanted into another embryo, and then these transplanted embryo is grown into a new mice, that is chimeria. A chimeria is a mix of two or more animals. This chimeria can be made by embryonic stem cell transplantation, embryo fission and injection of the embryonic carcinoma cells. So this embryonic stem cell transplantation means the production of chimeric mice involves the various steps. So they are as follows. We will see one by one. In the first step, the eggs are isolated from the black mouse, that is the donor mouse. So from this black mouse, the eggs are isolated and are fertilized. The isolated eggs get fertilized, are subjected to fertilized in vitro culture. Hence this is a in vitro fertilization. So in vitro fertilization with the semen collected from a male. Then the fertilized eggs are grown in a nutrient solution or a culture media to grow them into young blastocysts. So up to the blastocyst stage, so these fertilized eggs, externally fertilized eggs which are collected from the black mouse, are grown into young blastocysts. In the similar way, the blastocysts are obtained from the other mouse, that is albino mouse. So here the eggs are collected from the albino mouse and those eggs get isolated and fertilized with the help of semen collected by the male, and these fertilized eggs are grown in the nutrient or a salt solution or a culture media, and these eggs are grown up to a blastocyst stage. In the similar way, the blastocysts are obtained from the albino mouse, and the blastocyst consists of an inner mass cells, IMC, which are surrounded by membrane called tropoblast. The stage is known as tropoblast. The inner mass of cells are taken from the blastocyst of black mouse and grown in a culture vessel. The inner mass cells grow into embryonic stem cells, and after that, then a small number of embryonic stem cells are sucked in with the help of micropipette and injected into blastocele of blastocele of the embryo of albino mouse. Here a small number of embryonic stem cells which are cultured from the sucked from the culture media with the help of micropipette and then injected into blastocele of the embryo of the albino mouse. Then after the embryonic stem cell transplantation, the embryos are implanted into the uterus of the surrogate mother. After mating it with a vasectomized male or sterile male, then the surrogate mother feels like pregnant. It means, so they are subjected to or provide a pseudo pregnant condition. So this pseudo pregnant condition is very important to play an important role in for further development of the embryo, which are already implanted in the uterus of the surrogate mother. Okay, then the surrogate mother give birth to a chimeric mice after completion of the what we call gestation period. After completion of the gestation period, this surrogate mother gives birth to a young chimeric mouse, and these chimeric mice show alternate black and white colors in their skin all over the body. This is a concept of chimeric mice production with the use of embryonic stem cell transplantation. Okay, now see this flow chart of the diagram, so which clearly explains the method of the embryonic stem cell transplantation. Okay, so here black mouse and here albino mouse. So the eggs of the black mouse, which is a donor, collected from the black mouse and cultured in a in vitro culture and get fertilized with the help of semen collected by the male, and here the eggs of the black mouse are get fertilized externally in vitro culture, and these fertilized eggs are maintained in the salt solution or culture media, and these eggs, fertilized eggs, are grown up to the blastocyst stage, covered with a embryonic membrane that is containing inner mass of cells covering a embryonic membrane, that is the trophoblast stage. And from this in the similar way blastocyst is obtained from the albino mouse. This is another albino mouse. This is white in color, albino mouse. The eggs are collected in the similar way, and these eggs are cultured in a culture media and get fertilized in vitro culture with the help of the semen of the male collected, and after fertilization the eggs of the albino mouse is maintained in a culture media and grown up to the blastocyst stage. Okay, now from the inner mass of the cells of black mouse blastocyst, so the few of the inner mass cells are taken or sucked out with the help of micropipette, and these inner mass cells of the embryonic stem cells are inserted or injected into the blastocele of the albino mouse, and after that this blastocyst is again implanted into the uterus of the surrogate mother, and after implantation into the surrogate mother, this surrogate mother is taken and subjected to the mating process with the vasectomized male or sterile male. So by doing this mating process, the surrogate mother feels or felt the pregnant, and hence here artificially provided pseudo pregnant condition. This pseudo pregnant condition play a very important role in developing of embryos in uterus of the surrogate mother. So, and after completion of gestation period, this surrogate mother gives birth to the transgenic mice. So these transgenic mice are having alternative black and white stripes on the skin all over the body. This is the concept of the production of chimeric mice by the utilization or by the use of embryonic stem cell transplantation. I hope all you understood well. So these are the chimeric mice which you are seeing on the screen. Okay, so which is having a white and black stripes all over the body. So I hope you all understood well. I'll stop here this session. I'll meet you in the next session with a new topic. Thank you. Thank you very much.